Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So the world is abuzz about tariffs. When Trump started the administration, he immediately set to posing 10% tariff on China and 25% on Canada, Mexico, and Colombia to better control the borders and to fight the drug wars. All of them have been put on hold as they've supplied resources except for China, because they continued to build the ingredients for drugs. Next up is steel and aluminum tariffs. Those are meant to avoid dumping of steel and aluminum, and they also are to support an increase of capacity of these critical items to support national defense and infrastructure and those types of industries. In comparison to China, the U.S. produces at best 1/11th, and at worst case 1/44th of the steel and aluminum that China does. So there's a long way to go. And then next up is reciprocal tariffs. Those have not gone into effect yet, and they're being studied. It means that if I charge you 10%, you'll charge me 10%. Now, what should we be doing? We should be diversifying our supply chain, getting backup sources of supply, reshoring, expanding manufacturing, and developing a forward-looking, resilient supply chain.